Hey guys, John Brown here with Explore Park City Living, and today we're here at 103 Alice Court. It is a 5-bedroom, 8-bath, 4,651 square feet. Brand new build, finished a couple weeks ago. As you can see, very nice finishes. The kicker here is the location. We're right next to Old Town, right above Daly Avenue. This is a new development that isn't even available yet. There'll be a total of 9 lots in here. This is the first build in here. It is not the developer that built it. There will be 9 other lots. And these lots are 2.5 Old Town lots. So you get more width, which is amazing, not your Old Town skinny home. There are 4 levels here, an elevator to access all 4 levels easily, and 3 separate living areas. The other lots are not for sale yet. They're not actively for sale, and a lot of them don't even have utilities to them yet. So really, this is kind of a one of a kind. For now, we just know that there will be future lots as well. You got Taj Mahal countertops, instant hot water tap. All of the ensuite bathrooms have heated floors, and every level has heat and AC through mini splits in the ceiling, so you don't see them. It is seamless. Just kind of looks like your normal HVAC fence, but it is the mini split. We're overlooking Old Town. Right below us is Daly Avenue, which when you keep going turns into Main Street, and we are having expansive views right over it here. The price point for this home is right under $9 million. Insane views out here. You got a heated patio deck. This is actually on grade, so it's not really a deck, but expansive views, and off here it just drops off, and there's protected open space all the way down to Daly Avenue. And so this location itself is just one of a kind. And obviously the views out here, you can kind of picture yourself sitting in this hot tub and have expansive views of Deer Valley and Old Town, and you're right in the heart of it. So let's go check out the rest of this home. Living room, dining room, vaulted ceilings up there, and kitchen. A nice open floor plan, and everything is included. It is furnished and included, but it is basically staged amazing. If you want to come in here and have your own designer, that's totally fine, but it is being sold furnished. We have a nice waterfall island piece here with Taj Mahal, and then you got the Wolf appliances and the built-in fridge. And then you have your pantry here as well. So this is all on that main floor. You have an office right here. You can kind of see the office here. Amazing views as well as a powder room. So you got a bathroom there. And then this is the elevator. So check this out. I actually don't really know how it works. There we go. Boom. Elevator coming in clutch. So very nice elevator. Pretty roomy for a in-house residential elevator. But then we also come in here, and this is the bedroom that is on the main level with an amazing setup. I love this right here. You have the shower. It's all glass right here. You have shower, curbless shower, and the tub as well. So it is just kind of like the wet room there. And then you got the nice vanity as well as toilet, and then walk-in closet in here. Goes around the corner. It's all built in. which is very nice. So now we're gonna head up. This is the master bedroom. This is amazing. You have very tall ceilings here. You can kind of see up there. View outside of like snowy landscape here that, you know, no one's gonna be building right there. And then you come into your master bathroom and have really nice views over the tub and the shower, all the way down to Main Street, which is amazing. You have the shower as well here and a bigger walk-in closet, you know, with all built-ins as well. And then right outside here, you got, you know, a washer dryer hookup right outside the, sorry, that's bright, but right outside the master, which is so nice to have, as well as a living room, another living room. Like we have a ping pong table here and couches, you know, you can really do what you want with that. And then you have a full bath here as well with a shower, I guess 3/4 bath, but, and then you have the elevator right here, as well as a wet bar. And then this goes out to that amazing deck that we started on. And just the views are incredible. It's so nice and no one is up here. It's pretty amazing. So now we are headed up to the top floor, the 4th floor, and this is kind of a flex area, right? That you got a bedroom here with an ensuite bathroom, and then you have your elevator comes up to right here, and then you have this open space. This is not furnished just because it's a flex space. It would be an amazing place for an office, or you could have, you saw the bunk beds in the other room. This could be like play area for the kids. All the way up on the 4th floor, they can run up and down as much as they want. And then you just got insane views out of every single window here. Let's get out onto this deck that overlooks the patio that we were on earlier. And whoa, it's bright out here. But as you can see, like the views here are crazy. And you get sun. You get so much sun here. You're on top of the mountain. Like when you're looking down at Daly and you're looking at the houses on Daly, they're in this valley right here that you don't get that much sun. So like this being on top overlooking all of it, you get the most sunlight possible for this area, which is amazing. So that's what we got. I'm going to hit the, I'm gonna call this is on the 2nd floor and we're on the 4th right now. So I'm gonna take the elevator all the way down to the 1st floor and we can walk through that. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. And we're down here on the 1st floor. I'll come over here and we'll start at the garage because that's probably where you're gonna mostly be coming into the house from. You got a 2-car garage for storage of anything you want, but it goes perfectly into this very nice mudroom for all your ski equipment and everything. Plenty of space for that. And then we kind of head right into the landing area of the stairs, and it goes up 4 stories, really cool. So here's another bedroom here, decent size with an ensuite bathroom too. And again, all of these bathrooms have radiant heating in the floors. And then you come down here, we have another powder room. Here we got another powder bathroom here. And then you saw me come out of the elevator there. And then you have another bedroom here as well. So very nice. You have a really nice setup for bedrooms here. So here is the deck off the front. Also, you kind of have to duck a rope, but you can ski to this house fairly easily down Summer Road, and it comes right there. So you can't really ski to the mountain. You can really, it's ski in, not ski out. You'll have to walk down to the bottom of right here, grab a bus, or you walk all the way down to the Main Street lift. So there are some options, but being able to ski into the house is super nice at the end of the day. All right, guys, now we finished up here with 103 Alice Court. One of a kind build, like we've been saying, location is amazing. One of the only new developments within Old Town. It's on 2.5 Old Town lots, so you get that wider feel. It's not like a crammed, tall Old Town style home. And you're also on a ridge, so you get plenty of light, all sunlight all day, and you have expansive views over not only Old Town, but some of Deer Valley, and it is definitely one of a kind. And it's brand new construction, and that's all of that together is the reason why it's at $9 million, but it is truly one of a kind, and I can't wait to do some more video walkthroughs for you guys. They're coming, so stay tuned to the channel. And if you're interested in this, give me a call, 801-837-4445. And also, there will be 8 other lots here. They are not actively for sale, but I can get you in touch and see if we can make something happen. So my other info is in the description, so check it out. But see you guys on the next one.